Designing a strategic salary structure, attract, retain, and motivate top talent. Welcome back. Every business wants to attract the best talent, keep them engaged, and ensure they contribute to growth. But how do you do that effectively? Often, the answer lies in one of the most critical, yet frequently misunderstood, components of your organization, your salary structure. Your company's salary structure is more than just numbers, it's a powerful strategy too. This video breaks down how to design a strategic salary structure that aligns with your business goals, attracts top talent, retains high performers, and motivates your entire workforce. Learn about pay grades, ranges, market position, and the key components of a fair and competitive compensation system. It's not just about the amount you pay, it's about how you pay. A well-designed salary structure is a strategic asset. Today, we are diving into the key elements of building a system that serves your business goals. Question 1. What is a strategic salary structure? At its core, a strategic salary structure is a framework that defines the pay ranges for different jobs within an organization. It's designed to ensure internal equity. Employees performing similar jobs are paid fairly relative to each other. External competitiveness. Your pay rates are competitive with the market, helping you attract and retain talent. Alignment with business goals. Compensation supports your strategic objectives. Example, fostering innovation, driving sales, retaining critical skills. Motivation and growth provides clear paths for career progression and increased earnings. Section 2. Key components of a salary structure. Let's break down the essential building blocks. 1. Job evaluation. Purpose: to systematically assess the relative worth of each job to the organization. This isn't about the person, but the role itself. Methods: point factor, ranking, classifications, or market pricing. It helps determine a job's complexity, responsibility, and required skills. 2. Pay grades. Definition: groups of jobs that are similar in value or content. Example, junior analyst might be grade 5, senior analyst grade E,